It's bloody hard to keep going if you have not many views. I don't know how people do it, how bloody hard emotionally it is. The roller coasters, being motivated one day and being completely doubtful the other.
We both started YouTube this week, and this is what it actually felt like. So it's been just over a week, and Anya, my partner, has uploaded 2 videos.
I've got some comments, mainly from my friends, but I got a really nice comment from a stranger as well on my second video that was super uplifting and motivating because I was upset. Put a lot of work into that video, into editing and making a nice thumbnail, which I thought was nice. And then I posted it and woke up the next day, 5 views. It's not very encouraging. It's bloody hard to keep going if you have not many views. I don't know how people do it when they have 0 views, what I hear about. But there are some guys out there who haven't got any views for I don't know how long, and they kept going and kept publishing. And that's really admirable because I struggle.
This is the part that surprises people.
How bloody hard emotionally it is. The roller coasters, the being motivated one day and being completely doubtful the other.
I think this is the part that most people don't expect. You think it's going to be the technical problems that are going to hold you back. You don't take into account the self-doubt, the fear of being seen, and even the fear of failure that are really the roadblocks to getting started.
Yeah, the technical part was easy, fairly easy. The editing and all that compared to the mental struggle, yeah, it was much easier.
This is where most people stop.
I didn't find anything like what I want to do. I was wondering if anybody would watch because I couldn't find any channels that were similar to what I want to do, not with the same kind of vibe, attitude. It's completely different, and there is nothing like that. My channel isn't about self-improvement, about getting up at 5 a.m., doing yoga, meditating, and drinking green tea afterwards. It's the complete opposite. And it's not that I have anything against all those, but the channels of women in their 50s, 60s that I found were that kind of channels that mine is not going to be about. So I put a lot of work into that video, into editing and making a nice thumbnail, which I thought was nice. And then I posted it and woke up the next day, 5 views. It's not very encouraging. But it's not about stopping because I want to do it, so I'll keep going no matter what. But it is a challenge if I put a lot of work into something, I spend a lot of time on it, I think it's actually good and interesting, and then I don't get the same feedback. If I have 30 videos published and I still have very few subscribers, I will start to question, if that makes sense. I got a really nice comment from a stranger as well on my second video that was super uplifting and motivating. Some topics are easier to talk about and some are harder. Recently, I had that experience. I was recording 3 videos in a batch, and first 2 went okay. And the third one, I was just struggling and getting stuck after one sentence. I realized it doesn't flow naturally.
And this is what changes everything.
So the subject needs to be really something more emotional or something that I am thinking about right now or have been thinking recently, because if it's just a made up thing by AI, which is great as a coach and all that, but sometimes it comes up with these fantastic titles, but you realize it's really not me. I learned how to do a B-roll. I added it to my latest video, and I actually thought it will be better, but wasn't so happy with it, but I still posted it.
So what we're both realizing here is after our first week on YouTube, that the hardest part isn't the technical side of YouTube. It's dealing with how it feels when you first start your channel. If you've been thinking about starting something and you've been held back from doing so, then this is what week 1 would actually look like if you did get started. It's not perfect, it's not polished, but it is possible. And if you would like to figure it out week by week with us, then you're welcome to follow along. We look forward to hearing from you, maybe in the comments below. And until next time, bye for now.